Inventory costs typically include all the costs that are associated with the item, carrying, ordering, holding, and managing your inventory. The total inventory costs are broken down into 4 distinct categories: item costs, carrying costs, ordering costs, and stock out costs. These amounts are reviewed regularly by business owners and/or management to determine how much inventory to keep on hand at any given time. Businesses are always looking for ways to optimize inventory levels while still maintaining a healthy cash flow and not tying up resources. In the next few modules, we will discuss these 4 aspects of inventory costs. Before we do, though, we'd like to ask you a question that you can answer in the community, upcoming assignments section, or on a piece of paper at your desk. What types of costs do you see with regards to inventory management? And how do you think you can reduce those costs? We look forward to hearing your response with regards to the costs that you may be experiencing, and we'll see you in the next lecture.